I love this clock on my sister's wall. She installed it in their kitchen and it is absolutely beautiful. It is gray and white and it's got a wonderful actual wood texture here. But without being really heavy. It's really light, so it's easy to install and lift, or if she has to move it. But just to give a scope of the idea, I'm gonna go ahead and zoom out here, and you can see right above the buffet she has it, and it looks so nice and elegant. My sister has such an eye for design, and this clock is just absolutely beautiful and will make a great addition to anybody's wall. Her wall color is a very light gray and it's very soft, goes great with this. And many colors would go great with this particular clock for adding a nice decor, but being really functional as well.